And I believe we have just concluded a very fruitful discussion with the support of our delegations and support staff to cover many areas that is relevant to the ministries of justice on our countries, our relevant islands. Specifically items such as immigration matters. We've discussed the progress we're making to be able to address subversive crimes. Excuse me, in particular for St. Martin, as I emphasized in our discussion earlier, this particular legislative piece is important for us because currently in St. Martin we are making it a point of attention to address anti-counterfeiting and the sales of within St. Martin. We discussed, had the representation of chiefs of police, and I'm really honored that currently chairing that platform is our Chief of Police, Carl John, for St. Martin. They are making some very positive strides as well. And so as we work together collectively within this kingdom as ministers of justice, I'm really grateful for the attentiveness that we have to some key aspects that are relevant to our various agencies. And I look forward to our continued cooperation. Further to that, I look forward to hosting the next CAVO in St. Martin in June, where my colleagues and their delegations will join us there, and we have some great things, agenda points that we will be addressing then too. So thank you very much for the hospitality, colleague Minister Chong, and to the Aruba population for having us here on your beautiful island, and we look forward to our continued working together.